Yasahime Season 2 release date confirmed. Many of us grew up watching the hit anime series Inuyasha, so when it was revealed that the universe would return, fans were understandably extremely excited. The first season of the sequel series, Yasahime, the Princess Half Demon, concluded in March on Crunchyroll. However, fans are already desperate to know if the anime has been renewed, and if so, what date could Yasahime Princess Half Demon release date online. Fans will be glad to know that Yasahime Princess Half Demon has been renewed for season 2. Rumors about the possible renewal of Yasahime has been circulating on social media for the past few weeks. On March 20th, the official announcement was made that the anime would return with confirmation that the next season will be titled The Second Act. The Yasahime Season 2 release date has been confirmed to be scheduled for fall 2021 anime season, which may be October 2021. Yasahime Princess Half Demon Season 2 aka Hayoni Yasahime is officially titled Yasahime Princess Half Demon The Second Act by Witch Media. The initial announcement was made on March 20, 2021, shortly after Yasahime Episode 24 released in Japan. The Yasahime Part 2 anime will continue the Inuyasha sequel's story of the three princes, that is, Towa, Setsuna, and Moroha, but the announcement visual features Sesshomaru's daughter. In the world of Warring States, the Princess of Nightfall are on the rampage once again, stated the official announcement. Shortly before Yasahime Episode 24 released on March 20, 2021, anime news leaker Renovi Sugoi claimed TV anime Yasahime Princess Half Demon will be receiving a season 2. The announcement teaser visual was also leaked ahead of time. As of the last update, Studio Sunrise or any company related to the production of the anime has not officially confirmed the exact Hayoni Yasahime Season 2 release date. Will the princesses be able to protect what they want to protect the most? If you have any opinion, then please write them in comment section below. I would be pleased to read all of your opinion. Thank you.